Hello students, I hope you are all fine at your home. Today's topic is MS Paint Drawing Tools. Student, today I will teach you the chapter 4 MS Paint Drawing Tool. Let's start the chapter. Now, features of MS Paint. First feature, MS Paint can be used for drawing, editing, coloring and printing pictures. Second, this graphics application software helps us to draw pictures, cartoons, maps, and many other things of your choice. Third, MS Paint allows us to view and edit pictures that have been scanned. Starting MS Paint. To start the MS Paint, we have to follow some steps, and the steps are: first, click on Start button of Windows. Second, click on All Programs. Third, click Accessories. Fourth, click on Paint. After clicking on Paint, the following screen appears, which is the MS Paint screen. It tells that now you can work with MS Paint. Here you see Quick Access Toolbar, Paint button, Title bar and ribbon. We discuss this briefly in this video. Title bar. The title bar shows the name of the document and the name of the software application. It also shows the minimize, maximize, restore and close buttons. Paint button. Here you can have access to options like open, save, print and more. Drawing area. It is the white area in the middle of MS Paint window. You can draw and color picture here. Ribbon. The ribbon contains all the options and tools that are required to work with paint. Let us have a look on some important tools for working in paint. First, select tool. Select complete part of the picture. Second, pencil tool, used to draw free form line. Third, fill with color tool, used to fill color. Fourth, text tool, insert text into the picture. Fifth, eraser tool, used to erase a part of the picture. Color picker tool, it is used to pick a color from the picture and use it for the drawing. Magnifier tool, it enlarges the view for a part of the picture. Brushes, with this tool you can draw with different kinds of brushes. Shapes tool, it gives you an option to draw with different kinds of shapes. Size option, if you select pencil, brush or eraser tool from the ribbon, each tool can work with the different sizes. You can change the size of pencil, brush or eraser from the size option from the ribbon. Color box. The color box is found below the drawing area. It is used to color the pictures. Working with tools. Students, MS Paint include a handy collection of drawing tools. These tools can be used for creating freehand drawing and for adding a variety of shapes to your pictures. To select any tool in the ribbon, just click on it. The area behind the tool becomes prominent to indicate that it is selected. Once the tool is selected, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Let us study in detail about a few more MS Paint tools here. Line tool. Line tool used for drawing lines. To draw a line, first click on the line tool. Second, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Notice that the mouse pointer changed to cross sign. Third, click and drag the mouse to draw a line. Drawing a thick line. First, click on the line tool. Second, click on the desired option in the option box. Third, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Fourth, click and drag the mouse to draw the line. Drawing straight, horizontal and vertical lines. First, click on the line tool. Second, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Third, hold down the shift key while clicking and dragging the mouse. Drawing a colored line. First, click on the line tool. Second, click on any color in the color box. Third, move the mouse pointer to drawing area. Fourth, click and drag the mouse. Curve tool. Curve tool is used to draw curves. Drawing a curve. Steps are: first, click on the curve tool. Second, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Third, click where you want the arc of the curve to be and then drag to adjust the curve. Airbrush tool. Airbrush tool is used for spraying color. Step to paint using the airbrush tool are: first, click on the airbrush tool. Second, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Third, select the desired spray size from the size option. Fourth, select a color from the color column. Fifth, click and drag the mouse around in different direction. Rectangle tool. This tool is used to draw rectangles. Steps are: first, click on the rectangle tool. Second, drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area till you get the desired size. Drawing a square. Repeat above 3 steps. After that, hold down the shift key while clicking and dragging the mouse. Polygon tool. Polygon tool is used to draw polygons. The steps to draw a polygons are: first, click on the polygon tool. Second, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Third, select the desired color from the color box. Fourth, click where you want to start the polygon. Fifth, repeat the above step for the rest of the side except the last side. Sixth, to draw the last side, just double click the left mouse button. Rounded rectangle tool. Rounded rectangle tool is used to draw rectangles with rounded corners. Drawing a rectangle with rounded corners. Steps are: first, click on the rounded rectangle tool. Second, select the line color from the color box. Third, move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Fourth, click and draw the mouse, drawing a square with rounded corners. Repeat above 3 steps. After that, hold down the shift key while clicking and dragging the mouse. Important elements in MS Paint. Closed figure. Any figure that is closed from all sides without any gap. Open figure. Any figure that is open from any side or has a gap. Examples are shown here. Colors. There are two buttons, color 1 and color 2. On the left side of the color column, color 1 is the foreground color and color 2 is the background color. Foreground color. The foreground color is used for text, lines and borders of shapes. Background color. The background color is used for coloring a closed figure and the background of text boxes. Filling with colors. The tools used for working with colors in MS Paint are Fill with Color tool. The Fill with Color tool used for filling colors in a closed figure. Follow these steps to fill color in closed figure. First, draw a closed figure, say a rectangle. Second, click on the Fill with Color tool and select color 1. Third, click on the color 2 button and select color. Fourth, now move the mouse pointer to the drawing area. Click inside the rectangle to fill the selected foreground color. Fifth, move the mouse pointer outside the rectangle. Right click to fill the background color. Color Picker tool. The Color Picker tool helps us to pick a color from one part of the figure and fill the same color in the other part of the drawing. Follow these steps to pick color. First, click on the Color Picker tool from the tool box. Second, click on the color in the picture which you want to pick. Third, click in the area of the picture where you want to fill the color. Fourth, the area of the picture gets filled with color that was picked. Magnifier tool. Using this tool, you can zoom in or out of your drawing. There are 4 zoom levels given in the option box. They are 1x, 2x, 6x and 8x. Selection tool. By using the selection tool, you can copy and paste a part of picture. First, select tool. It is used for selecting a rectangular area in the picture. Second, free form select tool. It is used for selecting an irregular area in the picture. Using the select tool, steps are: first, draw any shape with the help of ellipse tool. Second, click on the select tool. Third, click and drag the mouse to select the rectangular area you want to copy. Fourth, click and drag this rectangular to new location. Using the free form select tool, steps are: first, draw any shape with the help of circle tool. Second, click the free form select tool. Third, click and drag the mouse to select area you want to copy. Fourth, click and drag the dotted rectangular to new location. Eraser tool. The eraser tool is used for erasing any part of the drawing or the color filled in a closed figure. Step 2. Erase the whole drawing. First, click on the image menu. Second, click on the image option. Text tool. This tool used to write in the drawing. Steps are: first, click on the text tool. Second, select the color with which you want to write. Third, drag the mouse pointer on the drawing area. A text box will appear. Fourth, after getting the text box of desired size, release the mouse button. Fifth, a blinking vertical line appears inside the text box. Sixth, a text toolbar appears on the screen. Saving the drawing. After completion of drawing, you have to save the drawing in a storage device for permanently. Steps are: first, click on the file in the menu bar. A menu appears. Second, click on Save. Third, the Save As dialog box appears on the screen. Fourth, type the name of your choice. Fifth, click on Save. Your drawing will be saved in your computer. Sixth, you can also press Ctrl+S key to save your drawing. This is also known as shortcut key for saving. Opening a saved drawing. To open your saved drawing, follow these steps. First, click on the file in the menu bar. A menu bar appears. Second, click on Open. Third, the Open dialog box appears on the screen. Fourth, type the name of the file in the box provided. Fifth, click on Open button. Sixth, you can also press Ctrl+O key to open an existing drawing. This is also known as shortcut key for the opening of a document. Undo command. The undo command allows you to undo the last action. It removes the last change you made to the file. Steps are: first, click on the edit menu. Second, click on the undo option. For watching my video, stay at home and be safe.